welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hello.
You guys know Justine. We've done a billion videos together. And if you are new to this channel and you do not know Justine, I'm gonna be putting all of her links down below. Go check her out, subscribe, show her some love. So today, I believe this is Testing Kitchen Gadgets episode 10.
10?
Yes, this is the season finale. And I'm not saying we're not doing any more of these. I'm just like, you'll have to stay tuned for season 2.
Season 2 is gonna be crazy.
What could happen?
I have no idea.
We don't know. We don't know what's coming next.
Will we burn the house down? Will I finally cut myself accidentally?
Leave it
Who
on
knows?
a cliffhanger. Dun dun dun. So if you guys want a season 2, give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. It's free. And ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Also, you know, we should have them leave an emoji down below. If you want season 2.
A corn cob. A corn. A corn. Leave a corn. Leave a corn in the comments. And season 2, episode 1 will be all corn.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm down. The first gadget that we're going to be testing is this.
What is it?
It said it was a hands-free candy dispenser, and in the picture it looks so big, it looked humongous, and I'm just realizing, I think that they took a picture from like a lower camera angle to make it look bigger. I thought, how cool, and with the times, Jetsons, I'm getting like future vibes. I got so excited, and then it came in as this big. I bought us all this candy, and I don't think it's gonna fit in there.
I'm not disappointed because over here there's several different options.
Little
Small hand,
settings.
big hand, small bowl, big bowl.
I
wasn't ready.
Here, I'm gonna give you some candies. Let's fill it up.
Okay, so it holds 4 bags of Skittles.
All right, so let's do it on the little hand first.
Okay, you do little hands.
All right, here we go. I heard it.
I think you gotta keep your hand there.
Oh.
Like a little lower. There you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Just a little helping. This is wow.
I just clicked it to big hand.
Oh yeah, go Justine. You only got 3.
I am.
Woo, little hand.
Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna click it to little. No.
What if you walk by? You think it will just start shooting out candy if you walk by? Turn towards me. Okay, I'm gonna push this back.
Oh no! Ah! Oh no!
Oh! Okay.
Oh no!
I have it in the entryway, and if someone
Ah!
it's sensing me, and I'm 2 feet away from this. Okay, didn't get me. What if you like were talking to someone, like, "Hey girl, how's your day?"
Yeah, and then I came up and I was like,
See, it's
"Oh,
safe
my
so
day was
far."
pretty good. Like I had a nice time." And then, oh no! Like if you're at a bar and you're just like,
Hey,
"Oh no!"
Yeah.
Ah! Yeah. Oh!
There's a Skittle down my pants.
Bro, you didn't know it, but I switched it to the big bowl setting. So
Well, I got a big bowl.
I feel like it stops. Well, no, gosh.
It just keeps going.
Yeah.
It's a big bowl.
Huh.
All in all, I love this kitchen gadget. I just think that the functionality needs to be improved. I think that if there was a timer with the sensor, but I love the idea of it.
I'm into it because, I mean, we put that bowl under it and you just got a whole bowl full of candy. Like, who's gonna say no to that? Not me.
I'm gonna let you pick the second gadget.
Oh, well, obviously I'm going to be picking the Cars and Trucks waffle maker, Ro.
Yes!
It's so funny because this I feel like is the stereotypical like little boy, like, oh, you like cars and trucks. I like cars and trucks.
I just get excited that they're little 3D shapes.
Look at all these different things you could make. Police car, monster truck, pickup truck, ambulance, school bus, garbage truck, and a race car.
Oh, please work, please work.
It's so cute though.
Cute.
Waffle, wow.
I hope I'm wowed by these waffles. So here's a little inside. It's flat on the top, and then there's the deeper like 3D cavities down here at the base.
Slightly grease the baking plates with a little cookie.
Okay.
Looks good. Okay, do we have any, we need to make some
what?
ready made.
Justine, when you come over, I try to be prepared. Now this is their waffle recipe. It's supposed to work the best with this waffle maker. So I'm really trying to give us the best shot.
So we need to preheat it.
Yeah.
Allow the waffle maker to preheat until the red indicator goes out. Okay, there's our red indicator. To remove the waffles, always use a plastic or wooden spatula. Never use a sharp object. Oh, there's all kinds of waffle recipes. We have easy waffle, buttermilk waffle, sour cream waffles.
So this one is their easy waffle recipe.
So the green has come on now, but what does that mean? That looks like it's probably ready.
It looks ready.
That looks ready to me.
I think you just fill it all the way.
Really?
I mean, put a big scoop in there. Yeah, it's got a rise in there or something.
You think?
I don't know how full, I don't know how full to go. And then it cooks for 3 minutes. Let's do it. Ready?
Okay. Yep.
Close. Does it have a lock in the front?
Doesn't
Or
seem like
you
it.
just push it down?
Set a timer for 3 minutes.
It's starting to lift up. Oh no.
I think we definitely may have put too much in.
Look what I got.
Oh, perfect. From a previous video. No, I'm just
Be careful, don't burn yourself.
you
Ooh, smoking. Lots of smoke.
I think this whole thing is covered. Like, I think it's one big waffle now.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do this again.
I'll have to get a knife. Ready?
Yeah, so that's one big waffle now.
We have a little bit too much batter.
Like, not a little bit too much, like this is a way too much.
It's like you got snowed in a parking lot. Just put a bunch of powdered sugar over the top and it's wintertime.
Ow.
And it's a little car.
That's really cute. So this actually did work though, look, because you can cut it out of its little thing.
Baby Grayson is gonna love these. It's a little truck. Oh, boop, boop, boop. And it's so cute if you have little blueberries or fruit. You can put it in the back of the truck. Put syrup on it. Oh,
Look how cute they are.
they're adorable. I'm gonna eat this little car over here. It's cooked all the way through. It's light and fluffy. Got a little bit of that waffle crisp. You know that like, oh, a little crunch.
We probably could have let them cook a little bit longer
Mmm.
to get a little more crisp, but I was concerned because I didn't know what was happening. I thought it was overflowing.
Look at the tires.
Yeah, check that out. Oop.
For a cute waffle maker, I love it. And I love the recipes as well. It's a win for me.
Me too. What is this row?
This is the bicycle bar tool set that I found in line at a checkout. It's a bike, and all the different little pieces of the bike are different things you would have like on your little mini bar. It was really expensive, like it retailed for almost $80.
Oh.
I got it on sale for $39. Is it on sale because it's no good? Or is it on sale because it was too expensive to begin with? I don't know.
Well, I love that it shows you the fully put together, and
Yeah.
then on the back, it's like, oh, you just got into a car accident.
And now it's useful. Okay, so we're gonna build a bike.
Oh,
my
wow.
gosh.
There's a lot of pieces. It's okay. It's like a Lego set.
The coasters have fuzzies. These are nails and they're really sharp.
I also stabbed myself with that by accident.
Where do you put it on the bike?
Maybe in your basket?
It has no instructions. These are supposed to be little cocktail picks, like you put a little olive on
I
there.
bet they go here.
Oh,
That
okay.
looks like where it might go. We have our seat. And this looks like a little bottle opener.
It's a bottle opener. The handlebar is a wine opener.
And then we've got our little shot glass.
Yep, the back tires are the coasters, and they sit right here.
And then our last wheel is this little thing for, what's that, like making
It's
margarita?
the shaker lid, but here's my thing. Where's the shaker? Here's a bar kit. Where's the shaker?
So it's together now.
It looks cool. I think it's a cute idea. If I'm gonna get a little bar set for $80,
That's a lot.
I want a shaker. Well, you know what? Let's try one of these. So here I got a bottle of wine.
Okay.
Let's try to use a wine opener.
Okay.
This,
Looks dangerous.
I've never been good at this. So this just, I have no help here.
Is it going in? Oh, actually, no, you're making progress.
I'm
You're
going.
in.
I mean,
Yeah.
and there's how far I can get. I can't do. I
Are you
can't
supposed to
do
cut
anything.
this off?
That's why I have the one that screws down, and then it has the levers on the side, and then you push down, and it pops right out. And it doubles as a bottle opener, the one I have. And these handlebars are really sharp here at the ends, so it's like really uncomfortable and hurts your hand. So
I
no.
can't even, like, it's not even moving. How are you gonna get that out now?
I'm just gonna do this. Oh, let me show you my cool one.
This is what I would picture a normal,
This.
like, wine opener to look like.
See, it twists down, which that one twists very well. It goes down, and as you twist, these little handles go up. Ready? Ooh, look at the cork.
There you go! This was cute, but not functional. So I would say a pass from me.
I'd say it was a really cool concept, like a way to make all your different bar tools look like a little, you know, figurine. Functionality and now. Justine, I think you're gonna like our next one.
What is it?
I can't, you could get it.
Okay, what is this?
Ooh, Justine, take a hold.
Did you get me safety knives?
Yes.
Because you don't trust me?
No.
3-piece safety knife set for kids. Okay, this is something that I love. I love giving children knives, and this is how you can do it safely.
So I guess the benefit of these is it actually cuts vegetables and fruits, but you can't cut yourself. And I've also heard that not only for kids, but like if you're a beginner chef and you're learning how to chop things quickly, it's supposed to help. So you don't accidentally get your fingers and you like get a good feel for knives. So
It says you can't cut yourself? Because that hurts a little.
it hurts a little. I mean, it's a hard plastic and it's kind of this jagged edge.
I feel like I read somewhere, or maybe Mike said this once, like a
What
carrot
is it?
is basically like if you were to cut off a finger.
What?
Did you tell me that?
Oh my god.
Did you say that? Did somebody tell me that?
I
Did
don't
you
think
say that?
I would hope my bone is stronger than this carrot.
I think this is the equivalent of your
I
finger.
mean, this is wiggly, you know what I mean?
If you could bite a carrot, you can bite your finger off.
I'm terrified.
But if you can cut a carrot, I feel like you could cut through something else, right? That's why I don't understand.
let's try it.
Okay, let me use my not safety knife.
Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, because it's a knife.
Nice, 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 nice. Oh, I love it.
This is actually great. Look at that. Okay, but why does it cut so well?
Cutting a
For
carrot.
science, just for science. Okay, just want to see if you could stab.
Okay.
I'm just being the devil's advocate here. Just
Yeah, that's a
thinking,
good
like,
point. Here, Justine, you try this one. I'll try the apple. Okay, it's harder. You gotta use it. Whoa! Okay,
Yeah,
more
we
muscle.
are through the watermelon. Did you know that if you can cut through a watermelon, you can cut through your skull? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we cut through the watermelon.
Look at these little slices.
This is kind of like axe throwing.
Oh my gosh!
Here,
Justine,
you
let
wanna
me
give it a try?
let me
Give it a try.
Okay, how'd you do it?
I just like went. Oh, sorry.
Oh wow,
Sorry.
wow, wow!
Oh, you threw it really hard. Here, go try again.
Oh my gosh.
Just like it, like a nice toss, like with the
Just
tip first.
gentle. Dang it! Okay. Jeez!
Here.
I don't know why. I have solid depth perception. I mean, what is my deal here?
It's a dart.
I've never played dart.
Here, that might be a moving target now. Okay, you got this.
1, 2, dart.
What are you? Why? I don't understand.
Jeez!
So what is the verdict with these? Because I think they're actually super impressive. I think they might be sharper than advertised.
I have a bunch of knives that are really sharp. Like I keep them very sharp for cooking. And if you do this, you're gonna get cuts. And when I do this, nothing, which I appreciate. See, do that.
You're right. You're right. You're right.
Oh yeah, we could learn how to. Oh, did you see
That's
that?
scary. You just gotta get to the tip. Throw it harder. That's perfect. See? You got it. Oh, see, look at I missed.
I have achieved everything. I retire. I'm done. Done.
Bro, why are we back at the sink again? I thought we learned our lesson from last time.
No, I've got a new gadget and it's bougier, it's more expensive, and it is the Sonic Soak. It's to wash our dishes. You know, if you don't have a dishwasher, I'm not giving up. I'm gonna try to find a product that we can clean some dishes if you don't have a dishwasher. It says it's the ultimate ultrasonic cleansing tool.
Yeah.
It even has a bag.
This looks like it has settings.
Ooh.
It has an LCD on it.
Oh no.
Oh.
Okay, it still plugs in, which is terrifying. The other one was so dinky, I feel like it couldn't hurt us, and this one might be more powerful to hurt us.
Should we start the water? Because this took
Yeah,
a while to
let's
fill up
the
last
sink.
time.
Let's fill her up.
Feel this, it's heavy.
Whoa! This feels like a dumbbell, actually.
Do you have aluminum foil?
For what?
We have to put it in aluminum foil. Optimize our Sonic soap.
Their example is a dirty sock in a bucket. Is this to wash your clothes? I thought it was a dishwasher. Okay,
So-
I found it in the kitchen gadget section, but let's try it. I mean,
Look at her.
I might have messed up here and I might have not. I don't really know.
You can wash fresh produce. Looks like you can wash jewelry. Well, if you can do all this, I think you can wash some dishes.
Let's pour some soap in the sink.
I'm plugging in now. Oh God, ow, it feels like it's shocking. Ah!
Oh, I hate it.
Oh!
Oh, I hate it. Ah! I don't think we should be putting this in the water. Ah!
Ow! It's getting warm. Why is it hot?
Okay, just try it. Just put it in. Don't touch it though.
Is that electrocuting something?
It's smelling burnt. It's actually kind of smelling burnt. What can I stick in there that's not
Nothing. Don't put it. Don't stick. You don't put your hand in there.
A wood.
No, don't put anything in there.
What if I pick up like this?
Oh, it's steaming.
It's steaming so hot.
Why is it steaming?
It's defective. It caught on fire. What's it doing this for?
We can actually go and return this in person because it looks like they are in Los Angeles.
Where?
On Wilshire Boulevard.
No way.
Yep, 17th floor.
Say hi. What is this? I'm not a big fan of this, and I'm not trying to be a hater. I don't understand how this is making your life easier. Our quest for a sink dishwasher continues. This was not it for me. This was more terrifying than the last one.
I think this might be where it ends.
It sounded like electricity, and I got really scared. One more gadget, you're gonna love it.
As long as there's no sink involved.
No sink.
What are we doing now, Ro? We almost electrocuted ourselves, and now we've got some random goggles and onions. What is happening?
So I found these online, and you know when you're chopping onions, you cry from the fume. These are onion goggles.
This is the original patented. This is a patented object here. They're onion goggles.
I've never seen these. I've never tried these. I'm just curious. I want to know, do they work? So I got us onions. We got cutting boards in front of us. Let's give them a go. It says it has a comfortable foam seal that protects your eyes from irritating onion vapors. Also, it has anti-fog lenses.
Oh,
for
cool.
Maximum clarity and eye protection. Wait, are
they're actually comfortable.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, I'm into that.
They aren't quite airtight. Let's chop an onion. Here we go. Wow. Jeez. Oh my goodness.
Is that not what you're supposed to do?
Usually I chop off both ends.
Oh.
Get to it, but I got the, I can smell it.
I'm making a mess.
How's your eyes?
I think okay. It's going through my nose to my eyes is the problem. So do
my
we need
nose is running.
Do we need to plug our noses?
I don't know how I can do that. God, I have to use a stupid bread knife because that last gadget didn't clean my dishes.
you
I don't have any free knives, so I've used this stupid. This is not what I use to chop an onion, by the way, everybody. Use Justine's knife. My nose is running so bad.
I'm not crying.
I'm not crying either, but my nose is running.
You should really, you gotta rub it on there. Everything's fine.
I'm fine. These goggles seem to be working, but I don't think I'd ever wear these. I'm sorry, but is it worth this look? Because I don't think so.
I look good. I don't know what you're talking about.
You look better than I do. I feel like these are good for overall protection, but the onion aspect I think is a little gimmicky. Seems to work, but they're just ridiculous. I don't think that I would wear these.
They're very comfortable though, honestly.
They are the foam. All right, that does it for all of the kitchen gadgets that I had to test today. A big thank you to Justine, my friend, for coming over and helping me test all of these gadgets.
Anytime.
Woo!
Season 1 is a wrap.
Yes, this was the season finale. This is video 10 of trying kitchen gadgets. And if you guys want to see season 2, you want us to continue and make more of these silly videos, let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe, it's free. Ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And don't forget,
corn emoji in the comments.
Yes, post those corn emojis
so great
in the comments for a season 2. Today, the winner for me was the cute little waffle maker with the little cars.
That was very cute. I'd say my favorite is actually the plastic knives.
Yep.
Love them.
Again, I'm gonna be putting Justine's links down below and links to her video that we did over on her channel, so go check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here
or up here.